Welcome to Terry's Diverse Horizons, a place where we explore faith, history, culture, and the big questions with honesty, wit, and sometimes a dose of uncomfortable truth. The Seven Sacraments, a holy life timeline. Christianity isn't random. It's structured, it's intentional, it's layered. From the moment a baby first cries to the moment a soul prepares to meet eternity, the church built a roadmap. Not a social club, not a self-help seminar, a spiritual life cycle. Today on Terry's Diverse Horizons, we're walking through the seven sacraments, what they are, when they happen, and why they matter. Let's begin at the beginning, when you don't even know what's happening yet. At 1. Baptism. When? Usually infancy, a few weeks to 1 year old. Purpose. Entry into the Christian faith. You're born, you cry. You have no idea what taxes are yet. Good times. Then comes baptism, the church's official welcome ceremony. Water is poured, words are spoken. Parents and godparents make promises you can't even pronounce yet. It's spiritual adoption day. At 2, reconciliation, confession. When? Around age 7, the age of reason. Purpose, learning accountability. At about 7 years old, you realize two things. You can lie, you shouldn't. Welcome to moral awareness. Confession teaches something radical in modern culture. Personal responsibility. You messed up? Own it. Fix it. Move forward. At 3, Eucharist, First Communion. When? Around age 7 to 8. Purpose, receiving the body and blood of Christ. White outfits, nervous smiles, cameras everywhere. But this isn't just ceremony. At the Last Supper, Jesus Christ said, "This is my body." And from that moment forward, communion became central to Christian worship. At 4, confirmation. When? Usually ages 12 to 16. Purpose, strengthening of faith. This is spiritual graduation. You're no longer riding on your parents' belief system. Now it's your decision. Oil is placed on the forehead. A bishop confirms your faith. This is where belief becomes ownership. At 5, matrimony. When? Adulthood varies, often 20s to 30s. Purpose, covenant marriage. White dress, sharp suit, nerves everywhere. Marriage in Christianity isn't just romance, it's covenant. It mirrors Christ and the church. At 6, holy orders. When? Adulthood varies. Purpose, becoming a deacon, priest, or bishop. Some choose family, some choose service. Holy orders is the sacrament of leadership. It's sacrifice, it's discipline, it's lifelong commitment. At 7, anointing of the sick. When? Serious illness or near end of life. Purpose, spiritual strength and preparation. This isn't about fear, it's about peace. When the body weakens, the soul is strengthened. Oil is placed on the forehead and hands. Prayers are spoken. It's comfort before eternity. Christianity isn't random rituals. It's a structured spiritual journey, from water at birth to oil at the end. Each sacrament marks a moment. Each moment marks growth. Each growth points toward eternity. And whether one agrees or not, you cannot deny the structure is intentional. From cradle to calling to covenant to completion. This has been Terry's Diverse Horizons, where we explore faith, culture, history, and the deeper layers most people skip. If you found value in this breakdown, share it, because understanding tradition helps us understand civilization itself. Until next time, stay curious. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe, and always stay humble.